What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna build one of the best looking PCs I ever built on this channel so far. It will also be a very good price to performance gaming PC. Now let me just peel this off and I'll show you guys the parts. What we got here is a Z87K motherboard from Asus. I am able to snatch this up for only $50. Since this is a Z variant motherboard, you are able to overclock any K variant CPU you throw at it. But we are not overclocking today because the CPU we have is a non-K variant. So if you want to replicate this build with the same CPU, I would just recommend you to buy any cheap LGA 1150 motherboard you could find. Now for the CPU, I was able to pick up this i7-4770 for only $90. This CPU is a Haswell i7. It has 4 cores and 8 threads and a max turbo frequency of 3.9 GHz. This CPU is still a very capable gaming CPU in 2021. I would definitely recommend you to pick one up for around $100. Since it is the non-K variant, the Intel stock cooler with the copper bottom is good enough to handle it. For the RAM, I actually got 8GB of blue dual rank DDR3 for free. So what I did was found another very identical dual rank blue DDR3 RAM on Facebook for $40. So technically I got 16GB of DDR3 for only $40. Before you go to the comment section and tell me that mix and matching RAM sticks is bad, they work perfectly fine when I was stress testing it, so it should be fine as long as you don't overclock it. Now for the boot drive, I actually got this 240GB Transcend SSD for $45 brand new, and I thought it was broken until I tried it the other day, so I'm just gonna count it as $40 used. Now for the main drive, I decided to go with a 2TB Western Digital Enterprise class hard drive. I was able to snag this up for only $20.25. 2TB is plenty enough for you to store up to like 40 games. Now for the graphics card, I got this HD7970 3GB for only $100. It performs way better than a GTX 1050 Ti, which can go up to $300 right now, which is not a very good price to performance graphics card, which is why I think $100 for this HD7970 is a really good deal. Now to power the whole system, I managed to snag this CX 500W from Crosshair for only $20. 500 watts should be more than good enough to power this card, and it can even support up to a RTX 3060. Now for the case, I got this Deepcool Matrix 55 non-PSU cover edition for only $56 brand new. I would definitely recommend you to go out and buy this case brand new for yourself, since it has great cable management in the back and it has glass side panel for a very reasonable price. I also added the 3 RGB fans I scrapped from 2 weeks ago's video in order to give this computer some airflow as well as some RGB bling. And I was also able to put one black fan in the back as an exhaust that I got for free. Now for the Funko Pop of choice, I decided to go with this Agent H Funko Pop that I got for $10. I think it will match very well with this PC because the PC case is black and the guy is wearing black. Now let's pull up a price tally and show you guys the results.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah, I can show you, yeah. You're the light inside of me every night. We're chasing dreams, ain't got time to make them see what we believe, you and me, yeah.
Overall, today's PC was very good price to performance. I think this is a very good entry to mid-range level gaming PC. I would definitely recommend you to go out there and find these parts and build this PC for yourself. Now with that being said, thanks for watching this week's video. Come back next week for another gaming PC video. And subscribe and like, please. Thanks.